In summer, the interior of our car can easily reach 60 degrees. One of the most common mistakes we make is to turn on the air conditioning full blast as soon as we get in. It's better to first lower the windows and let the car cool down naturally. Another mistake we make is to point the air vents towards our face. By parking in a shady spot and with this simple gesture, we can prevent the inside of the car from getting excessively hot.